Live from wherever you are right now, it's the news!
Are you looking for the best way to engage your students and have them show you what they're learning? Then I suggest you head on over to Kim Bass's animation presentation and you will be awed and inspired. Don't forget Kim Bass's animation presentation. Have fun. You won't believe what's happening here in Kim Bass's presentation on animation. She's teaching you all about different kinds of apps that you can use that your kids will love. You want to be on the winning team? Make sure you head on over to Kim Bass's presentation on animation.